How to create Google form and share link. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a Google form and share the link with others, all in just a few simple steps. So let's get started. First things first, open your web browser and simply search for Google form, or you can also go to forms.google.com directly and simply go to Google Forms online form builder and tap on it. Now simply click on sign in and make sure to log in with your Google account. Once you're in Google Forms, it will take you to a blank form just to start from scratch. Now first of all, give your form a title. For example, you can call this one feedback response, feedback survey. You can also add a description if needed to explain what the form is for. Now it's time to add your questions. Simply tap on untitled question or click on the plus button on the right to add a question. Simply enter your question. From there you can choose your text to be bold, italic or underlined. You can choose the question to be a multiple choice, checkbox, drop down, paragraph, file upload and more. Just choose whichever you prefer. Now once you've done that, to add more questions, simply tap on the plus icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. Just enter another question. After doing that, again choose whatever type of question it is. Now after you've done that, simply tap on the send icon at the top of the screen. Here you can simply manage who can respond to the form. Also, after you've done that, simply click on publish. Now after you've done that, simply tap on the share icon again. From there, click on share link, which is at the left, and simply click on copy. Now go to the Messenger app or any other app from where you want to share the link to and simply paste the link. And that's it. You've successfully created a Google form and shared the link with others.